made more progress today. I welded a plate here because this was weak. An angle iron here. Welded my 3-point hitch back up. I filled in this was a weak hole. Welded that patch on the bed mount. Decided to just going to weld that brake modulator valve onto that plate I mounted. Welded in a patch on the inside there, and underneath the truck I rebuilt that cross member support on one side. It's ugly looking, but the metal is so weak. So now I'm going to shift my attention to that one. And then we're going to have the front patch left tomorrow. And that one on that side. And after that we're going to install a 3/8 diamond plate rail all the way down here, right to the back to the shackles on both sides. And we're going to put sheet metal here and angle iron top and bottom because that's real weak. So that's about what's left to do, and reinstall the bed, hook up the lights, put the fuel tank on, hook up the sending unit, and one little weld on the exhaust pipe hanger at the back. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.